Hey guys, and welcome to Michael's Digital World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test and compare thumbnails on YouTube. This is the new YouTube feature that allows you to A/B test thumbnails and know which of the thumbnails people click on most. In the YouTube Studio mobile app, you won't be able to see this feature as this has not been integrated into the Studio app, but you'll be able to view results if you already uploaded from your YouTube Studio on computer. If the test and compare feature is currently not available for you to use, do not worry as this is still being rolled out by YouTube. Now, when you're uploading a video on YouTube, you should now see the option in the thumbnail section to test and compare. Also, when you're editing your video details on YouTube Studio, you also see the test and compare feature in this section. And this is quite easy. Now click on test and compare and you can provide up to 3 images. I use Canva to create images on YouTube and I've created a thumbnail for my next video using different color in this section just to show you how the test and compare feature works on YouTube. Now upload your 3 images in this section and click on done. That is all you need to do. Also in the thumbnail section, you have a view of the 3 images which you have provided. Under this, you see that it currently says ineligible, and that is because your video might either be unlisted or private. So all you need to do is publish your video and this should start running. Now to see your thumbnails test and compare results, click on the 3 dots on the thumbnail and here you're going to see view test report. Click on view test report. This will show you the estimated time remaining for the test, which is about 14 days by default, and the images you have provided. Now you need to let this run down to know which of the thumbnails give you a better result. If you wish to stop the test process, hover on the thumbnail you want to stop and click on stop and set. Here you will see stop. Click on stop. You should now see only the thumbnails that are allowed. You can always create a new test if you want to by clicking on new test. And here it says that your current test will be deleted. Do you want to continue? When you click on new test, all your current thumbnails will be deleted. So thank you for watching this video on how to test and compare thumbnails on YouTube. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video.